Good morning, all. Welcome to Anand Rathi Morning Commodity and Currency Podcast. Starting with precious metal update, gold held its lows yesterday but remains vulnerable to face some selling pressure on higher side amid focus remain on US GDP and PCE data which is due later this week. Overall, PCE may show easing pricing pressure, which keeps rate cut hopes alive in September, while any better than expected US growth numbers could keep prices volatile for gold this week. Gold futures intraday support is around 71,500 and 71,200. Resistance is around 71,900 and 72,400. Coming to energy update, prices may continue with its positive undertone during the intraday amid ongoing geopolitical threats. However, markets could turn cautious as US economic grapples with high interest rate and sticky inflation. Focus this week is on key PCE data and outside US, deteriorating economic conditions in Europe pointed dwindling demand in the region. For crude oil futures, intraday support is around 6,700 and 6,620. Resistance is around 6,885 and 6,960. Continuing with base metal update, prices might continue to consolidate for most of this week with no clear direction. For today, prices might remain downside as Chinese stocks also plug 4 months low this week. With foreign investors continue to pull capital out of the country while awaiting clear sign on economic recovery. Investors now look ahead of upcoming industrial profits and manufacturing and services PMI for China for other update of state of economy. Copper futures intraday support is around 843 and 837. Resistance is around 856 and 863. For currency update, for today, rupee traders might access current account deficit data, which is released yesterday evening, that shows higher surplus than expected. Trader will also look forward for the speech of RBI governor due later this week. Today, coming to dollar, dollar is on front foot ahead of Friday's release of PCE. Politics were also at the front foot on the investors' mind, with first U.S. presidential debate between Joe Biden and President Donald Trump set for Thursday and French election due kick this week. For today, economic data is consumer confidence and uh, U.S. Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index. That's all for today's podcast. Have a successful reading day. Thank you.